What's up mga idol? Ito naglaro na naman tayo pero di na tank. Mid na ako at ito yung rotation ko sa mid, panoorin nyo.
A few inches later.
Fast forward natin mga idol dahil marami na nakakaalam sa rotation ng mid.
This sword is a gift.
Mahalaga sa rotation ay yung dumalaw kayo sa lane at tumulong sa third.
The rocks all make me feel so alive. First blood. Don't tell anybody that I can't swim. You have slain an enemy. Mega kill! An enemy. You have slain an enemy. The enemy is missing. You have slain an enemy. The best comes with some missing. You have slain an enemy. Have you ever seen the dawn of Swan Lake? An enemy has been slain. Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Dito dahil wala kaming roam kaya ako na nagbigay vision sa kasama ko.
Request backup. Sometimes I really miss the apple pies in the castle. Killing spree. Don't tell anyone. Initiate retreat. You become what you believe. Double kill. Sometimes I really miss the enemy has destroyed. Launch attack.
Kung nagustuhan mo aking video pwede mo ba akong i-follow at i-heart para naman malaman ko kung sapat na ba yung pag-edit ko.